So hi guys, this is Subhash here, the Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. Now I'm at POLLEM here in South Goa, next to the POLLEM. I was covering those areas here from Marcia, Lole and POLLEM. So I'm heading towards POLLEM now. It's next to the Lole. I'll tell you what, these both villages have the same panchayat here. So I'm going to POLLEM now till the checkpost. Okay then guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then. So guys, I am on the checkpost of POLLEM here. You see that behind there, just now you have seen. I just showed you how the is going on the border. Then they get entry in Goa. Same thing on the other side also. I am not going to POLLEM beach or something. I've already done those areas before, so I just wanted to show you this area. If you like this video, like my ride, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, for upcoming videos. Okay guys, see you in next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.